I got a question for y'all. Y'all see it. One gotta go. Is WCW versus NWO World Tour, WCW NWO Revenge, WWF WrestleMania 2000, or WWF No Mercy? If I gotta choose personally, I'm going with WCW versus NWO World Tour, but that's only because that's the only one out of this that I didn't play. Ain't no way I'm getting rid of WrestleMania 2000 or No Mercy. Revenge was cool, but all of them literally was pretty much the same vibe type of games. But like I said, I never played World Tour, so that one could go. But y'all let me know in the comments, out of these 4 Nintendo 64 wrestling games, which one gotta go?